how you doing? Once again, myself, talented Miss Lauren. All of her information about what she does for a living, I'm going to put in the links below. Very beneficial business for you. Take it, check it out. Honestly, you'll enjoy it. Hopefully she can help you with whatever you do for a living. So, I have taught this move many times. Named after a dear friend who showed it to me. I named it after him. We're going to show it to you. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All right? Call it Randy. Call it whatever you want. I call it that because that's who gave it to me. How you begin it. At the end of a sugar push. Pick up her left with your left. Kind of an unusual way to do it. Get into it however you wish. We're doing it just for the sake of the video. Left to left. Walk her down the track 1, 2. 1, 2. Guys, move off the track to her left. Now you're going to make her do a turn. We're going to get to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's on her right. I'm turning towards her and I'm on my left. But you want to make sure you're coming near her. So let's go this way. Forward to the camera. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I'm doing is I'm looking at her arms. I'm looking specifically at her right hand because of what I need to do for the next part. So I'm getting closer to her. Make sure where her right hand is. Some ladies put their arms up when they turn. They leave them low. Never guarantee where it's going to be. So guys, pay attention to her right hand because now we're going to get to 4. Sorry. 1, 2. We're going to stop on 4. Guys, take your right hand, put it on top of her right hand, and turn to your left for 5 and 6. I'm on my right, she's on her left. So ladies, your last triple, more in place, but look at it a little bit faster. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Turn behind my back, middle of my back, and she's up on her left foot. Bring her up onto that step for the next part. So again, first part, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Pick up her left with your left, and you're just repeating it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And repeat it. Then I won't get out, send her through, and I'm done. So we do it twice. More than that, you could do it more in time, but it just kind of boring. So front to back. The key, of course, is the hands. So switch hands, walk, walk. We're going to stop on 4. Guys, take the hand, turn to your left, grip, full step. So then you want to make her walk past. Bring her by. 3 and 4. Over. Turn off the track. And then bring her forward. Send her through. You can do this to a fast song, slow song, but that hand, where that hand is important. If you don't pick up her hand, it doesn't work. Whole way through. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left to left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn, pull her through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull her through. 1, 2. That's a cool move. It's not really complicated, but it kind of is if she's never seen it. So, hope you like it. Did you like it?
I loved it.
Every time we rehearse, she says she hates it, so I made her say she liked it, loved it. So it makes you guys, please give us a like, give us a subscribe button. We'll have a new move for you the next time. Whatever that was.
Subscribe button. Down here.
Thanks guys for watching as always.
Keep dancing.
Bye-bye.